Okay, it's time to make a winner for the Comfort Inn and Suites in Wisconsin Dells. In that video, I had asked you to do something very specific, so if you watched that video, you were to comment Comfort Inn equals, and then fill in the blank, whichever thought came to your mind. And that's how I knew that you would want to win, so let's find that video here on my YouTube channel. Here it is. Just need to grab the link from this video here. To get this link, we'll put it into the YouTube comment picker. And once we find the comment from the winner here, with that information, the Comfort Inn equals, we'll have a winner. It's pretty simple. We had a bunch of comments. Wow. All right. Comfort Inn equals. Let's see if we could find a comment with that from a winner. And congratulations, Annin, A-N-N-I-E-N 4353. Comfort Inn equals love, live, laughter, a room with a new life, and a past that doesn't have to exist. Ooh, very philosophical there. Congratulations there, Annie. Is it Annin? Yeah, you know who you are, 4353. You've got 10 days to get back to me, otherwise this prize is forfeited from you. So email me at the address on your screen, get back to me within 10 days. As you can see, this is good through the end of 2026, Sunday nights through Thursday nights. Oh, and by the way, if you want to book a second night, you'll get 40% off, so not a bad deal. Congratulations, and another hotel in Wisconsin Dells with a free overnight stay will be announced in the next video. Make sure you are subscribed and click on the bell notification so you don't miss out on that video.